Class 9 Science Unit 16 Invertebrates. Hi Class 9. Question number 1. How can mosquitoes be controlled? Mosquitoes are very harmful. They must be controlled. But how can we control the mosquitoes? Generally, we can control the mosquitoes by the following ways. Number I, by cleaning the surroundings. Number II, by well drainage system. Water should not be stored for a long time because mosquitoes can lay eggs on still water. Number 3, by using mosquito nets while sleeping. Mosquito nets is the best way because there is no side effect, no pollution, no air pollution. Number IV, by using some chemicals. They may destroy or kill or drive away mosquitoes, but they may cause chemical pollution or air pollution. So the best way is mosquito nets. By introducing a kind of fish named Gambusia. Gambusia is a type of fish which eats the larvae of mosquitoes, and we can control it. This is the biological way. Question number 2. Define taxonomy, nomenclature, classification. Taxonomy is in the book, but it is a very important branch of biology which deals with the study of nomenclature, classification, their comparative studies of living plants and animals. Nomenclature, just by the name, nomenclature means naming. Nomenclature is a process of giving an organisms two names, generic name and specific name. For example, human being Homo sapiens, lion Panthera leo, fish Labiorhoita, P. pisum sativum. Nomenclature. Classification, just by the name class, classification or grouping. Classification is a very important process of placing or grouping an organism into different phyla or divisions, subphyla, subdivisions, class, subclass, superclass, genera, species, etc. To study the study of biology, it is systematic and scientific. Question number 3. Why are bryophytes called amphibious plants? Write scientific names of key, fish, human, lion, etc. Just by the name amphibious. Bryophytes are called amphibious plants as they need water for fertilization or reproduction. So amphibious, living both in water and on land. P. Nepali kerau, English P. Scientific name Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum. Fish, especially rohu fish, Labio rohita. Labio rohita. L-A-B-O, Labio R-O-H-I-T-A, rohita. Human, Homo sapiens. H-O-M-O, Homo, S-A-P-I-E-N-S, sapiens. First letter capital, H capital, S small. Lion, Panthera leo, P-A-N-T-H-E-R-A, Panthera, L-E-O, Leo. The same way, tiger, Panthera tigris. You can learn other scientific names as well.